Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in the previous videos we have seen how we can dynamically load the components in the template using the component outlet, and also in the TypeScript if you want to use it means how we can use it using the view container ref also we have observed it. Now in this video we will try to learn about a small concept thing, that is lazy loading of the components. You can use both of the approaches described in the previous videos, ng component outlet and also the view container ref, to render the components that are lazy loaded with a standard JavaScript dynamic input. So I will try to explain you. Here if you try to see here, this is our app component.ts, right? And here we are having two components, that is nothing but admin profile and user profile, which is loaded dynamically through the component template. Here ng component outlet is getting downloaded. So instead of this one using like this, we can also use the lazy load input. So that means there is no need for us to mention it here in our standalone components. So we can remove it directly and we can load it, lazily load it, we can do it. So how we can do this one? So let's try to see it. So for that one, what we need to do is, so I will try to have an profile component. So we need to have a profile component, right? So profile component, we need to create a profile component. So which is of type, so we need to create a constructor function. So it should be a constructor function which should be created with a new object, and it should be an admin profile component or it should be a user profile component. Okay, so it should be something like between these two, and it can be also be a null also. So is equal to null, you can define it like this. So that's it. So now you are having a profile component variable which should be created, which should have a admin profile component or user profile component object that should be created with a constructor function. That is constructor function, it should be created. So this is the type we are mentioning it. And now this profile component, so where we can use it on ng on init. So here ng on init you can mention it, and in this ng on init what we need to write, if this is the admin is there, if this dot is admin is there, then what we need to do, so we need to load the component. So for that one what we need to do is, so here we can have in such a way that ng on init or otherwise what I can do is so here, or otherwise we already have this get profile component, right? So we can do here in this code only, if this dot is admin is there, okay, and we need to check that whether admin profile is a default class or it's a class only, it's not a default class. So that means, so what we need to do here, constant, so we will get the admin profile component, and here we need to await import. Okay, so we need to await the import, and this should be async, and here also you need to use the await, and here in this import, so we need to load the component where we can find it. So that's it. So we can load the component, and here in our profile component, so this dot profile component is equal to admin profile component. We can directly assign it this one, and here what I can do is, so we can also remove this code. Else if it is not an admin means, then what I need to do here, so we can load the user profile component, and here this should be await of import, and we should import this one, and in this import what we can do is, so user profile / user profile component.ts file, and in this one you will be getting user profile component, I think, yes, and this user profile component we can have it in this dot profile component is equal to user profile, this is not admin profile component, yeah, this is that only, and here user profile component, we can have it like this. That's it. So now we are able to get it, and now this get profile component, instead of having this one, so here you can add it directly profile component, I think, that's it, right? So that's it. Now if you try to see here, we are not able to see the output, most probably load component we are not able to see it, admin profile are not able to see it. Why? Because this get profile component we are not calling it anywhere. So in ng on init I will try to call it. That's it. Finish. And this should be this dot. Okay, and if you try to see here, immediately we are able to get this admin profile component, but this time we are dynamically loading this component using the, we are lazily loading the component using this await import. Not only with this one, we can also add it through the through the TypeScript code also, the view container ref also we can do it. So this is how we will be adding the lazily loading the components. So this can be achieved both of the approaches, ng component outlet and also the view container ref also we can get it. So now there is no need for us to mention in the standalone thing. So this is how we will be doing it. Now what I will do is I will commit this code in a new branch, that is video-28, and I will commit this code, that is lazily loading components. So lazy load components, I am adding it. And if you want to refer this code, I will be providing the GitHub repository URL in the description below. For more details, you can refer that code. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.